Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating a radio out of, where'd this thing come out of? Okay, it's out of an 82 Mazda B2200. Comes from Jack in Piedmont, California. Jack has requested a modern internal conversion with Bluetooth. And so we're here to make sure it all works before we send it back. So I've got it set to the one strong AM station I get in my area. Let's turn it on.
The rest of them.
Okay, it was on.
You see, when you hear this...
Okay, now these guys don't talk as much at night, but let's go ahead and do the demonstrate the virtual fader and balance controls.
And when you look at what this Department of Justice has become...
Front rear fader.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now we're adjusting the front, all the way front, all the way rear.
That's Donald Trump.
All the way front. Say something quickly. Okay.
What is it about Donald Trump that they hate so much?
Okay, I'm going to center him. Let the function time out.
Fader set.
Okay, now we're going
And
to
I'll
do
tell you what it is.
left-right balance.
Balance adjust.
Okay,
More
so now we're all the way left,
the Democratic base
all the way
than
right,
any Republican before him.
left. Say something quickly. Say something.
Balance
Shit.
Voters
Okay, we got to do it again.
with Asian voters, with black voters. He made more
Let's try it
inroads
again.
into the Democrat Party
Balance adjust.
Republican before
All the
him.
way left, all the way right. And these guys just don't talk
Many
enough at night.
Republicans are utterly disconnected from these communities.
Okay,
like
so that's
Balance set.
okay. So that's cool. There, now we can return our tone control to good
Like the
sound.
Bush.
Okay, let's
the
switch it
Cheney.
over to FM, which we no longer have AM/FM switching by the buttons, which is actually a good thing because these two buttons you could only set to AM. So now you can set all 5 presets to FM stations. But the thing is, to go between AM and FM, you have to turn the unit off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Going to do that now.
Donald Trump's policies that led to the lowest unemployment.
Off on. Okay, now we're on FM, and we'll just go through the presets.
Sea cuando Dios quiera. Pero Dios cumple sus...
Okay, that one drifted a bit. We'll just reset that one.
1050.
Well, these ones with the
That's
tuning and volume
928,
backwards just drive me nuts.
0. Again.
2 years. Want to stand and think again.
Okay, so there we go. So there's our FM.
Let's go places.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so we know the
Let's go
Bluetooth works.
places.
So that concludes the test. That's everything. There is no dial light included or any kind of, let's turn it off. There is no dial light with the unit, but I did leave the orange wire, which is for the dial light, open in case there is a dial light, and you can hook the dial light to that orange wire, and then the orange wire hooks to your dash lighting circuit. So it was a pretty quick test. It's just a radio. There's no 8-track or anything to test, so it was a pretty quick test. Thank you very much for watching, listening. Thank you, Jack, for your business from Piedmont, California, and we'll see you guys next time.